In this video, you will learn the complete overview of week 3 of human development. This is the most important week for your exam because it is when the foundation of the entire body is formed. By the end of this video, you should be able to explain all major processes, timelines, and clinical concepts clearly. Part 1. Why week 3 is important. Week 3 marks the beginning of rapid development and differentiation. During this week, the embryo forms structures that will later develop into all organs of the body. Exam tip. Week 3 equals start of organ formation. Part 2. Main events of week 3. The key processes that occur during week 3 include Gastrulation Notochord formation, Neurulation Somite formation, formation of intraembryonic coelom, development of the primitive cardiovascular system. Exam tip. If asked events of week 3, list these. Part 3. Gastrulation, most important. Gastrulation is the first major event of week 3. It transforms the embryo from a bilaminar disc into a trilaminar disc. This means 2 layers, 3 layers. How it happens. The process begins with the formation of the primitive streak. The primitive streak establishes head and tail, left and right cells from the epiblast move inward in a process called invagination. These cells form the 3 germ layers. 3 germ layers. Ectoderm forms skin, nervous system. Mesoderm forms muscle, bone, blood, connective tissues. Endoderm forms digestive tract lining, respiratory system lining. Exam tip. Nervous system, ectoderm, muscle and bone. Mesoderm. Part 4. Notochord. The notochord forms from mesoderm around day 16. It acts as a signaling structure through a process called induction. This means it directs surrounding tissues on how to develop. Exam tip. Notochord equals control center of development. Part 5. Neurulation. Very important. Neurulation is the process that forms the neural tube. Steps. Neural plate forms. Neural folds rise. Neural groove forms. Neural folds fuse. Neural tube. Results. Neural tube. Brain and spinal cord. Neural crest cells. Peripheral nerves and pigment cells. Exam trap. Neural tube, neural crest. Clinical failure of neural tube closure leads to spina bifida. Part 6. Somites. Somites form from mesoderm around day 17. They differentiate into dermatome, skin, myotome, muscle, sclerotome, vertebrae. Easy memory. Somites equals skin plus muscle plus spine. Clinical abnormal somite development. Scoliosis. Part 7. INTRAEMBRYONIC COELOM. Small spaces form in the mesoderm and combine to create the intraembryonic coelom. This becomes the body cavity that will hold organs. Part 8. Cardiovascular system. The cardiovascular system begins early because the embryo needs nutrients. The heart forms around day 18 to 19 and begins beating around day 21-22. 2 tubes fuse to form a single heart tube, which then bends and starts functioning. Exam tip. Heartbeat begins in week 3, part 9. Timeline. Very important. Day 15. Gastrulation begins day 16. Notochord forms. Day 17. Somites appear. Day 18-21. Neurulation day. 21-22. Heartbeat begins. Important. These processes overlap. Final summary. Week 3 is the most important stage of development. It forms 3 germ layers through gastrulation. It establishes the nervous system through neurulation. It builds the body structure through somites. It forms the first functioning system, the heart. All major organs originate from processes that begin in this week. Final exam boost. Test yourself. What is gastrulation? What are the 3 germ layers? What does the notochord do? What does the neural tube form? What do somites form? When does the heart start beating? If you can answer all of these, you are ready for the exam.